Are you ready to shake up your income and twerk your way to online success? Imagine turning your daily scrolls and clicks into cash flows and paychecks. Get off the sideline and join the digital dance floor with these top 10 money-making moves that will have you raking in the cash while you groove. Whether you're a college student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone just looking to earn a little extra cash, I've got something for you. Stick around until the end because number 1 is a game changer that most people don't even think about. Let's dive in and discover how you can start earning online today. And hey, while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's go. 1. Freelancing. First up, we've got freelancing. This is perfect if you have a skill you can offer, like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even coding. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptil connect you with clients from all over the world. Pro tip: don't just wait for clients to come to you. Pitch your services with confidence and showcase a killer portfolio. Start small, build reviews, and before you know it, freelancing can turn into a full-time gig. 2. Selling digital products. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. Think ebooks, printables, templates, or even online courses. The beauty here? You create it once and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy are perfect for this. If you're an expert in something, why not turn your knowledge into passive income? Write that guide, create that planner, or record that video series you've been putting off. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of my personal favorites because you don't need to create or store products. You promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. You can start by signing up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Pair this with a blog, YouTube channel, or even social media and you're golden. Trust me, this one can add up quickly. 4. Virtual assistants. Number 5 is becoming a virtual assistant. Businesses and influencers are always looking for someone to manage their schedules, emails, or social media accounts. If you're organized and know how to get things done, you can find clients on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. Plus, the demand for virtual assistants is only growing, so now's the time to jump in. 5. Content creation. Are you good at creating content? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even podcasts are booming right now. The key is consistency and finding a niche you're passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Plus, who wouldn't love to make money doing what they love? And there you have it, 5 crazy ways to make money online in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you've already had success with any of these. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips like this, and share this with someone who could use an extra income stream. Thanks.